Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up reminders for your tasks on Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now, reminders are very useful for you to not forget your tasks, especially your most important ones, and they're very useful just in general to remind other people as well if you're an administrator. Now, to set up a reminder, what you need to do, you need to go into your tasks module first. Over here, we'll see a list of all your tasks. It depends on the view that you're viewing. If you're on list view, you can see it like this, or if you're on Kanban view, you can see it like this. And it really doesn't matter. I like to do it in list view because now I can locate a task that I want to edit. For example, this register for upcoming CRM webinars, and click the edit button right next to it. Once I click on it, as you can see, this is the edit view, and you can set the task owner, the subject, whatever you want. And the important thing about this is you want to select a due date that it is in the future, which is of course obvious a bit. Just select one that's in the future, then select the contact, the account, and everything. Status, I'll just select not started. Priority, I'll set it to highest, and you can click if you want to repeat it or not. That depends on the task, but the important thing here is to click on reminder. You want to enable this, then set up the date you want to get a reminder on. For example, let's say a day earlier at, I don't know, 2 p.m. and on days of due date at this, you can select whether you want it one time or different times, and then just repeat type if you want it. It will, I'm not sure why I only have none, but it is what it is, and you'll be notified through the email, through the pop-up, or both. I'll select both, click done, and once you have the reminder, you can click save, and now you have your reminder on your task. You can edit tasks if you want. You can also create a reminder while you're creating a task, but that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.